I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of AI Chatbot Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search for AI Chatbot Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.